Hello everyone, this was a highly requested video of my condo, so I hope you enjoy it. This is the first view you see when you walk into the apartment. So you see the kitchen and the living room. I really didn't have a plan on how I wanted to decorate. Things just came together and I just knew I didn't want the place to be cluttered. I got this painting from Amazon and I really like it, and I just started working around the colors. So I started to get the throw pillows for the couch to match. This couch is a must-have. It's from Bob's Furniture, and I love that you're able to close it for like small spaces, but then when you want to like lay out, or if you have guests sleep over, you can pull it out and it becomes a bed, and it's really, really comfortable. I really love this couch. I wanted an oversized floor mirror to make the space look bigger, so I got this mirror from Hey Needle. I was so excited when I found this vase because it perfectly matches the color scheme that I have going on in my living room. And then the branches I got from IKEA. And then that's the TV. And now we're moving on to the other side of the living room. This is my dining area and my coat closet. So this is how my dining area looks when all four chairs are out. This is my coat closet, where I also put my detergent, yoga mat, basketball, iron, random stuff. But it's a good amount of space, and I also put the chairs from the dining area in there as well. I usually only keep two out. I keep my vacuum cleaner. This is also the closet that I put guest stuff in when they come or if they sleep over. This is how the dining area looks when there's only two chairs, so that's how it looks most of the time. And now we move on to the dining area. So when I saw this small space, I automatically knew I wanted to use it for the dining area because I live alone and I don't need a big dining space or a big dining table. This was perfect. So I had my carpenter install this table that I got from IKEA, and it's foldable. So you can see on the bottom there that you can fold it down. And so whenever I'm not like eating on it, or if I want to have a different look, then I fold it down and then I have the chairs facing front like this. And that also saves space as well. The chairs are from Amazon and they're so clutch because they're all foldable. And I will leave the links down to everything below in the description box. This is my kitchen. It's newly renovated except for the fridge and the stove. So recently I thought it was a good idea to get this huge ice maker and I love it. I mean, it makes the bullet ice and that's the best ice. And that's my electric tea kettle, my toaster, my dish rack, and then we move on to the cabinets. So because I'm only one person, I don't really need much, but this particular cabinet is just for like random stuff. And this cabinet is for my plates and my bowls. And shout out to my mom because she got all this stuff for me when I moved in. I didn't have to buy anything but the condo. And then, yeah, that's my sink area. I really wanted a double sink, but for some reason that couldn't be possible. And this is my fridge. I definitely need a bigger one. Quarantine taught me that. And then my air fryer, I can't live without that. And this is my seasoning cabinet. Definitely needs some organization, but that's where I keep all my seasonings. And then on top of the fridge is my medicine cabinet there. I mean, I don't really have much medicine, but that became the medicine cabinet. And this is a random cabinet on top of the microwave. And yeah, so I definitely want to get a new stove and fridge, but not really in a rush for that because they're still working. But I want all black appliances. So this is what the kitchen used to look like, which is crazy. But I did like a full gut renovation, and I hated that sink. I just hated it all. So now this is what it looks like, and I'm really happy with it. This is the bathroom. I also renovated the bathroom. This is an example of how it looked before. I changed the medicine cabinet and the sink and the floors and the tiles. I ordered this medicine cabinet from Home Depot, and the pictures did not do it justice. It is so beautiful. It has the mirror inside, outside. It just looks gorgeous in person. This is my linen closet, so I keep my bath towels in here, my bed sheets, my comforters, other random stuff. I also keep my bathroom mats and games in here as well. And last but not least, this is my bedroom. This is probably my favorite part of my apartment because this is where I reside. Like 24/7, I'm always in my room. I only really use the living room when I have guests and company. This is my closet. I had my closet renovated so it can look bigger. And to do that, I had my carpenter break the wall so that I could have a double door instead of just one door, because it's easier to get in and be able to see how big this space is this way. And I also installed the shelves. I got my desk from IKEA and my vanity mirror from this website. I can put down in the description box below. And my floor mirror from Macy's, I love it. It's another one of those things that looks a lot better in person. And I'm looking to get a plant to go in the corner there next to the desk, a really big one. So if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to leave it down below. I got this painting from Amazon, and my lamps are from Pier 1, and my nightstands are Christopher Knight. My bed is from Raymore and Flanagan, and that's pretty much it. That concludes this condo tour. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. I will be leaving all the links to where I got everything from. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.